Here talking about the tropics.
Betty, start us off.
Hi everyone, here is that tropical wave and a broad area of low pressure associated with it impacting parts of the northern Leeward Islands and also Puerto Rico, getting some rainfall, some of which could be heavy, in addition to some increasing breezes for those areas. This is moving westward. Now, hurricane hunters have indeed been flying around the system. They have not been able to establish a well-defined low-level center of circulation, Max, and that's part of the issue we're having with it, although with time there's still a chance it could get its act together. So they're putting the formation potential at 80%, but without that low-level circulation center being established, still a lot of question marks out there, Max.
That's right. If we look at the satellite imagery, especially the infrared here, you can actually see a little bit of turning there, sort of in the lower portion of that circle. That's likely a mid-level circulation. If we look at the visible satellite loop, we can see a little bit of turning. It's not real clear, but it was earlier in this area right up in here. It is just not very impressive at all. Right up in there, the airplane's been out there for several hours. They did find some strong winds in the northeastern quadrant, up around 50 miles per hour, but they could not close off that circulation. So if we look at the latest computer models, this is what we see. Now, they don't all develop it, but the ones that do still have it headed in our general direction.
And let's talk about some of the differences we may or may not be seeing in the more reliable models right now, including the European.
Right, and let's look at two different extremes. You never want to focus on any one model. We always try to show you different ones here. This is the European model. It actually has the circulation trying to get a little bit organized here by Friday evening. But that's, getting close to us here. That's not until it gets near the central Bahamas. And then it moves. Now, this one moves faster than the other models. This one, by Sunday morning, it has it very near the southeast Florida coast here. And that could possibly be a tropical storm at that stage. And then it actually strengthens as it gets in the Gulf of Mexico and eventually turns northward after that. But let's contrast that to the United States global model. It also shows a little weak low forming there, again in the central Bahamas, but not till Saturday night. And then the closest point of approach to us would be sometime likely on Monday. And then this one also turns it northward, but is a much, much, much weaker system.
And we just got off a briefing with the local National Weather Service office, Max, and we wish we could definitely say what we're going to be dealing with, but unfortunately we're not at that point yet. Still one of those situations where you just have to stay tuned.
That's right, and I think they actually said they do not know exactly how strong this will be. It could be a weak tropical wave, or it could even be a hurricane. They used the H word. It could be a hurricane, but it should be coming breezier and some more rain as it gets closer. And
of course, we'll have more specifics as more model runs come in over the next couple days. Hopefully, we get that low-level circulation center established so the models maybe perform a little better.
They do. The models always do better the stronger the system is, and this is just not a very well-defined system yet.